Do it.
No.
No? How are you supposed to move your hand, dude? I don't know how.
Show him how it's done, Hefty, you know.
You see those guys that like move their hands, but it looks weird. No.
It's easy. You go like this,
What about those?
and then the other arm.
Hop blockers? They called, right? You go like that? Or, you know what I'm talking about?
Do the arm thing.
Yeah.
You're not trying though. You have to feel it go through you.
No? Did it work?
It worked.
The onions and the yeah, it's a lot.